Phoenix Contact supplies a wide range of products for a modern and efficient building installation. There are some special features in the installation distribution with control cabinet in the REG format. What products does Phoenix Contact offer here and how do they work together? The functional area connectivity offers different solutions to the question, how can I reduce the time needed to wire the building installation? These solutions range from feeder and potential distribution systems to outgoing wiring, wet room and outdoor wiring. In the feeder, the entire load of the building passes through a few terminals. This places special demands on the thermal management of the terminal. Depending on the installation situation, the space for the feed is limited, so the terminals must be individually adaptable to the available space. UDB mainline branch terminals meet all these requirements. Thanks to their modularity, they can be individually adapted to the available installation space and to different network shapes. Thus, the terminal for the neutral conductor can be omitted in the TNC network or mounted from the same modular system in the TNCS network. Efficient use of installation space also plays an important role in potential distribution. When connecting and potentiating a new installation, corresponding space may have been planned. For retrofits and upgrades, this is often too short for the supply. In both the main and sub-distribution, PT-Fix is a flexible and scalable solution here. The large feed with many outlets offers particularly efficient distribution. In addition, PT-Fix can be mounted in various ways, snapped onto DIN rail, glued on or screwed on directly. In utility buildings, as well as in residential buildings with automation, KNX outgoing wiring in the main distribution is an issue. The challenge here is to arrange and label the many outlets of the main distribution in a comprehensible way. Clipline Complete offers a large modular system with a wide range of terminal blocks and optimum labeling solutions. Special KNX installation terminal blocks from the Clipline Complete modular system offer advantages. Naturally, in accordance with EIB, the European Installation Bus Standard, in the colors black, red, white, yellow, and with the familiar labeling options. This makes it immediately clear to any electrical installer how the system works and how the structure is set up. Pre-assembled KNX blocks in various configurations are also available in the PT-Fix portfolio. Here, the EIB cable coding is also considered. In general, PT-Fix can of course be used to make any bus system visible in color. When the switch cabinet is left, other requirements are added. For example, the wiring in damp rooms or outdoor places cause special demands on the protection class of the installation. Depending on the location, outdoor lighting, outdoor pumps and even wall boxes or inverters must relate to IP68 protection. Wiring conventional junction boxes accordingly is time-consuming and thus cost-intensive. Installation systems can be installed quickly, easily and cost-effectively. The high degree of protection class IP68 and higher makes them suitable for use both indoors and outdoors, so the installation systems are a dry alternative when junction boxes keep getting damp. The pluggability means that consumers can be replaced quickly with minimal downtime in the event of maintenance or repair. They differ primarily in the type of connection technology and availability for larger cross-sections, with the portfolio being increasingly expanded. The PRC series features the proven screw connection up to 6 square millimeters. QPD convinces with fast cutting connection during cable preparation. Stripping is not necessary, also up to 6 square millimeters. The IPD series features the convenient spring connection for cross-sections up to 2.5 square millimeters. In the area of PV connections, there are special requirements for the DC line. Overall, Phoenix Contact thus offers comprehensive solutions for efficient connections in building installation for various tasks.